In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the correlation on a TI-84. I've actually shown you how to do this already. However, we saw that there was an issue with the calculator, so I'm going to show you in more detail how you make sure that the correlation shows up on your TI-84. All right, so here's the data set we are working with. And if I pull up my TI-84, remember we said stat, edit, make sure all of your data is in two different lists. Make sure you note which list has your data. In this case, list one has my X data. Those are my heights. And list two has my Y data. Those are my weights. All right. So to do the count, to find it, we hit stat. We go to push right to calc. And then we scroll down to option 8, linear regression A plus BX. Now, we have linear regression as option 4 up here, AX plus B. Honestly, either one will give it to you. They will both work. It's just when we talk about hypothesis testing, the function in the TI-84 automatically uses A plus BX. So I'm sticking with this format here for option 8. Okay, select that, and then go through, make sure your two lists are correct. List one is your X variable. List two is your Y variable. Change those if you've put your X and Y variables in different lists, so make sure that they agree. And then come down here to calculate. And you get the line of best fit. Now, if you remember in the line of best fit video, I had a couple of other numbers on here. I turned that setting off because your calculator may be showing this. If this is what it shows you, just A and B, and there's no R on there, then here's what you need to do. Quit and go back to your home screen. And now down here, there's a catalog. This catalog lists all the functions of your calculator in one place. We're going to go there. So we're going to push second, 0, and that gets me a catalog. Now it's going to list all the A's first, and then all the B's and the C's and the D's. I could hit this down button many times till I get there. Woohoo. Not very fun. Shortcut, if you go to the green D, that's this x to the power of -1 button, you'll see the green D above it. Hit that, it'll take you to the D's. And then you could scroll down until you find diagnostic on. We're going to need that. So find diagnostic on, have it selected, then push enter, and then push enter again. It'll say done. And if it says done like that, then the setting is turned on. You'll be able to see the correlation value. Now, let's go to stat again, over to calc, scroll down until we see option 8. Linear regression, hit that, make sure our data is right, say calculate. Now the R and the R squared values should show up. So the question on the slide is, what's the correlation of our height and weight data set? We see here on our calculator, R is equal to 0.923. That is a high correlation. If we come back here to this graph, 0.93 puts us somewhere between 0.7 and 1.0. It is very close to 1, actually. So we are very highly positive correlation, okay? We have a high positive correlation, meaning there's a strong relationship between height and weight.